Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting both monitors and powering them on. Confirm each monitor shows a signal. Once done, choose the GPU or laptop port that matches the cable type, because mismatched adapters can limit resolution or refresh rate. Make sure cables are fully seated and that the monitor input selection matches the port. If using an adapter, use Active Display Port to HDMI or DP++ when necessary. This prevents detection failures and preserves higher resolutions and refresh rates. You open Display Settings to arrange and configure displays. Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings, or press Windows +P for quick modes. Once in Settings, click Detect if a monitor is missing and Identify to show numbers on each screen so you can drag them to match physical placement. Choose Extend to expand your desktop, Duplicate to mirror, or second screen only for a single external display. Adjust scale and resolution per monitor so text and windows appear consistent between them. You finalize setup by selecting proper resolution and scale for each display, because mismatched settings cause blurred text or off-screen windows. Make sure orientation and primary display selection are set, then apply and confirm the changes. If the second monitor still misbehaves, update GPU drivers through Device Manager or the vendor app. Driver issues often block detection. As a key troubleshooting tip, swap cables and ports or test with a known good monitor to determine whether cable, port, or monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.